Now today I am going to discussing about future indefinite tense structure. So please take a pen and a notebook and note this structure. With help of this structure you can translate Hindi to English sentence. So first, affirmative, subject singular or plural, plus will or shall, plus verbs की first form, plus object, plus etc. If sentence is negative, then subject singular or plural, plus will or shall, plus not, plus verbs first form, plus object, plus etc. If sentence is interrogative, its main question word, then will or shall plus subject singular or plural plus verbs first form plus object plus etc and then question mark because it is an interrogative sentence. Next is interrogative plus negative. Its mean question words comes first in the sentence and negative word is in sentence. Will or shall plus subject singular or plural plus not plus verbs first form plus object plus etc. If sentence is WH plus interrogative, its mean question words comes between the sentence. Then use this structure WH plus interrogative. WH word first, after that will shall plus subject singular or plural plus was first form plus object plus etc question mark. If sentence is WH plus interrogative plus negative, then WH plus will shall plus subject singular or plural plus not plus was first form plus object plus etc. If you enjoy this type of content, so please like and subscribe.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and the bell notification icon.